Life is full of twists and turns. Life is full of twists and turns. Twist and turn, twist and turns. We are the children of God. Twist and turns, twist and turns. Life is full of twists and turns. Smadu.
Hello, my little learners. How are you today? My name is Teacher Mary, and we are going to have our literacy activity lesson on sentence reading in E sounds. Is it? Do you know the E sounds words, the three-letter words, the blends that we've ever made, and the EBDFs that we use to make the three-letter words? Yes, these are the same words that we are going to use to do what? To make sentences in E. Are we getting? Before that, let us cheer up our lesson with a short song on sentence reading. Ready? Let's go. Reading sentence in E words, circle the E words, circle the E words. Reading sentence in E words, circle the E words, circle the E words. Reading sentence. Wow! Let us see these E word sentences, whereby the words that we know in E are the same words that we are going to use in doing what? In writing and reading the what? The sentence. I always tell you, make sure you write the correct what? Spelling. Number one is, Tim is the name of a boy. Tim hit a team. Tim hit a team. Number one is, Tim hit a what? Tim hit a team. Let us spot the E sound words. Number one, we have the word team, we have the word hit, and then we have the word team. The three words here that we have used in connecting together to make a sentence, all the words has the E sound. Isn't it? Team hit a team. So let us do this. Before, I've told you once more, before you read the sentences, if it is not possible for you to read the whole sentence together, what you should do, read the word at a word, and then read the sentence together. Getting? Let's go. Here we go. Team hit a team. Team hit a team. Team hit a team. Sentence 2. Sentence 2, we can say very simple, a big pig. Do you know what is a pig? I know you really know, isn't it? A big pig. It is a big pig. The words, let us spot them. We have big and then we have pig. These are E words that we have used to do what? To write this short sentence. A big pig. Even if we have only used two words, it is still a sentence. A sentence is made of not one word, it is made of how many? Two or many words. Are we getting, boys and girls? A big pig. A big pig. Let us read this word alone. It is the word big. It is the word big. The other one is pig. The word pig. Pig. Back to our sentence. A big pig. A big pig. Very simple, is it? Is it fun? Yes, I know you are really getting it. Number 3. Number 3 we go. Number 3 we have it is a big bean. It is a big bean. Are we there? It is a big bean. What do I mean? Both the words here, can you look? It is a two-letter word, but it still has E. Is also a two-letter word with E sound. And then we have big, and then B, isn't it? It is a big bean. It is a Wow. Number 4, let us look. Here we go. I can fix a zip. I can fix a zip. As usual, let us spot the E sound words. We go fix and zip. Learn the E sound words. Then here we have a word with A. We can read, when you see this stick here, let me say it is a stick. Whenever you meet this one when it is just alone, we read it as I. I can fix a zip. I can fix a zip. I. You cannot say it is E. No. Whenever it is just one, not in a sentence, getting it? Not in a sentence, we read it as I can fix a zip. Can you try it? I can fix a zip. Very interesting, isn't it? These are just few. I know you are clever boys and girls. Back in your books, back in your textbooks, you can find out the E sound sentences, isn't it? Can you try and read them? Use this tactic, underline the E words, try and read them alone, then connect them to the word. Make them, read them now together as a what? As a sentence. Like team hit a tea. Team hit tea. These are E sound words. And these three letter sound, E sound words are the ones that we have used to connect together. Team hit a tea. Very simple, is it? Very simple. You can also connect together simple words in E sounds that you know to make what? To make few sentences.